Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today we're going to use some vanilla vodka and we're going to make this, the Chocolate Tigress, a subscriber cocktail. But is it any good? Let's find out. Welcome back, everybody. It's great to see you. Now, the first thing I want to say is that Sasha from Germany is the winner of our Maraca cocktail shaker. Sasha, it'll be in the mail for you on Monday. I can't wait for you to get it, and please put a picture up on our Facebook page. Now, if you'd like to help support the channel, please check out our Patreon page at patreon.com/boozeontherocks, because every little bit helps. Now, to get into today's cocktail, it is one of our subscriber cocktail recipes, and Tim Kirkland has already sent us in one of these recipes, which is awesome, so I look forward to trying this again. This is called the Chocolate Tigress, and it sounds really, really interesting. So let's get into it. The first thing you'll need is your shaking glass of some type, or tin, or whatever you choose to shake your glasses in. We also need 2 dashes of a chocolate bitters. I'm using 9 chocolate bitters, and it comes, how much is a dash? We'll give just a little bit more, and that should be good. Next thing we need is 1 dash of an orange bitter, and I've got Dillon's bitters, and 1 dash of Angostura bitters. So what we'll do is we will blow these both in here together at the same time. So we need ½ an ounce of lemon juice. Take your lemon of choice, cut it in half, give it a bit of a squeeze, and you know, when you can, give yourself fresh citrus juice because it makes a huge difference in the flavors. The next thing that you're going to want to use is some Grand Marnier. And Tim suggests that we use 1 ounce, and that works out to 60 milliliters. Oh, almost out of that. Ooh, it's looking pretty orangey. I can't wait. Next thing you need, of course, is vanilla vodka. If you don't want to buy a vanilla vodka, you can make your own. And the way you do that is take your vodka of choice, put some into a bottle, then put a vanilla bean in there and leave it for 24 to 48 hours. And you need 1 ounce of your vanilla vodka, which works out to 30 milliliters. The next ingredient that you need is Khalua. This will give us our chocolatey coffee greatness to add to our chocolate bitters, of course. For this, you need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. That's looking pretty dark there. Almost chocolatey, if I do say so myself. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of ice, and we're going to shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. Throw that in there. One more piece is good enough. Slam that on there like so. Make sure your edges are lined up. Put your thumb on the end and hold it really good and shake it hard. Smack it with the force of 1,000 suns to get it off. Dry your hand off because you've made a mess. And grab your rocks glass. Now, Tim says some ice, so I'm going to use a fancy little ice cube here that I might have. Nice fancy square that doesn't want to fit properly. Take your Hawthorne strainer, and what we'll do is we'll just pour that in here nicely. And look at that, a beautiful wash line. To garnish this, we're going to use 1 maraschino cherry. I'm using some Amarana cherries here, and these have the stems on, and we'll put that on here like so. Or maybe it'll just take the moment to fall in there. But that point tip up looks really, really good, I must say. Ooh, look at that. Give it a smell. It smells interesting, it really does. You would think with the different types of bitters, you might have some clashing odors there, but you don't. Besides the smell of the cherry, you get a little bit of vanilla, you get some orange, you definitely get a chocolate and coffee odor. Let's give it a try. That's not bad. The coffee comes through, the chocolate comes through, the orange comes through. Let me try again. And you'd think with no sugar that it might be a little bitter, but it's not, because the Khalua works quite nicely because it is sweeter. It helps to bring that together and balance out the acidity of the lemon. Oh yeah. Tim, another good cocktail here. Oh. What I'll do is I will put the ingredients and the method of how to make this cocktail down in the description down below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscription button and make sure you hit that bell notification. And you know what? Leave a comment for Tim about what you think of this. And if you do make this, leave a comment as well so that we know exactly what you think, because I know Tim loves feedback. This is a great drink. Hit the thumbs up button for Tim, and we'll see you next time. Sasha from Germany is the winner of our Casamigos mail on Monday for you, and I hope you get it soon. Congratulations. And every little bit helps to defray the cost of this. We also have a YouTube page, and of course we have a YouTube page because